all, welcome back to Pably. In this video, I'll show you how you can add your real estate leads to MailChimp as new members, and you can further create email campaigns and nurture those leads and convert them into paying clients. So yes, to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pably Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pably Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pably.com/connect. After you come on this, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pably Connect. Then log in inside Pably Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button, and when we click on this add trigger button, we have to set the trigger as the application from which we are collecting the lead details. So I am using 99 acres to collect my own real estate leads, so I'm just going to select the same. But if you're using housing.com or Magic Bricks, the procedure is exactly the same. You just have to change the application. For the event, we have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. Now it is asking for the webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, copy the webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. And to do this, you have to reach out to your account manager from 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Because 99 acres portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out to your point of contact from 99 acres or the backend team from 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. And once they add this webhook URL in your account, automatically you will start capturing the lead details as the webhook response over here. This is the same procedure for housing.com and Magic Bricks too. You just have to give the webhook URL to your point of contact of housing.com or Magic Bricks and ask them to add the webhook URL in your account. I've already added this webhook URL in my account, so let's capture this webhook response, which is the details of my lead. And as you can see that we have successfully received the lead details. You're going to see the first name, last name, phone number, requirement, email and the area of my lead. Now I'm going to add these details in my MailChimp, and then further we can create targeted email campaigns for all of these real estate leads. So to do this, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for MailChimp and select MailChimp. And after selecting the action application for the event, you have to select it as add new member with custom fields and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between MailChimp and Pably Connect, click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking me for the token and the data center. So to get this, open your MailChimp account. After you open your MailChimp account, go on the profile picture and then you have to go towards profile. Once you come on this profile, go on this extras and then API keys. After coming on this API keys, what you have to do is, first of all, you're going to see all the API keys which you have created. If you wish to create a new, just scroll till the end, and in the end you're going to see the option of create a key. So click on this create a key. Now you have to give your key a name. So let's say I'm going to give the key name as new lead and click on this generate key. My key has been created, so let's copy this key, click on this done, and we have to paste this key right over here in our workflow. Now for the data center, go back towards your MailChimp account and copy the whole URL which you have right over here and paste it. Now what you have to do is, the data center is after this https:// and before this .admin. So delete everything which is not required, just keep the data center and click on this save. Once you click on this save, your MailChimp account will be connected with Pably Connect. Now you have to select the audience list. So I'm just going to select my audience list right over here in which I want to add this lead. Now one by one we have to enter all of these details, but we are not going to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pably which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. Now after mapping this email address, it is asking me for the tags. So if you wish, you can definitely enter the tags. For the status of the subscriber, select it as subscribed. We are only going to enter the details which are required or the details which we have of our lead. Like I have this first name, last name and mobile number, so I'm going to map these details. If you wish, you can definitely leave it as blank because only this email address is required and this audience list is required. After doing all of this, you have to scroll and click on this save and send test request. Once we click on this save and send test request, you're going to see that we have received the positive response that we have successfully added a new member. Alright, so let's close this and let's open our MailChimp account. From the left end of the site, go on this audience, and once you come on this audience, you're going to see that we have successfully added this. You're going to see the email address, the first name, last name and the mobile number, and you can see that over here the source is API new lead. This is the API key which we created. You can also see the date and the time of creation. And yes, with this we have successfully completed our workflow, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, within seconds and in real time a new contact will be created in my MailChimp account too. Now further, for all of these real estate leads, I can create targeted email marketing campaigns. So the procedure is same for Magic Bricks in housing.com too. You can follow this same procedure. You're going to get the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check that out too. So yes, go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.